guys, it's Christy, the founder of We Are Home Business Bakers, and I want to welcome you to the best support group for bakers you'll ever find. We Are Home Business Bakers was founded with the goal to bring beginner bakers who are struggling to make money from their businesses or who are looking to expand their skills into other areas of the baking industry. I strive to offer all our members with inspiration, a real community feel, and to empower every home baker to generate the most revenue possible. Take a look at all the classes we're offering this month. On top of these classes, we have business classes exclusively for bakers, social media mentoring, and website assistance. If you are a baker who needs support, who needs accountability, mentors who will help you at every step of the way, I invite you to join us in the We Are Home Business Bakers Premium Membership.